This speech will light a fire in you. It will make you want to change your life. You can start today. We're talking about rebuilding yourself. This is about personal growth. It's about finding fulfillment. It's about becoming the best version of you. Rebuilding yourself is a journey. It's about tearing down old habits. It's about facing your fears. It's about building a stronger, better you. This process is essential to achieving your dreams. It's the path to true happiness. Rebuilding yourself starts with a single step. It starts with a decision. The decision to change, to grow, to evolve. It's about taking control of your life. It's about shaping your destiny. This journey is personal. It's unique to you. There's no right or wrong way to do it. What matters is that you start. What matters is that you keep going. There will be times when you doubt yourself. There will be times when you want to give up. But remember why you started. Remember the fire within you. This journey is about becoming the best version of yourself. It's about living a life filled with purpose and passion. Embrace the challenges. Embrace the growth. Embrace the journey. Let's be real, the road to self-improvement, it's paved with potholes. It's full of detours. It's easy to get lost. We've all been there. We've all faced struggles. We've all stumbled and fallen. One of the biggest obstacles, self-doubt. That voice inside your head, it whispers you can't do it. It says you're not good enough. It tries to hold you back, to keep you stuck. This doubt can be paralyzing. It can make you question your abilities. It can make you afraid to try. But you have to fight back. You have to silence that voice. You have to believe in yourself, even when it's hard, especially when it's hard. You're capable of more than you know. You're stronger than you think. Don't let doubt hold you back. We live in a world of pressure. Society tells us who we should be, what we should achieve, how we should look. These expectations can feel like a heavy weight. They can make us feel like we're not enough. They can make us feel like we're failing. But here's the truth. You don't have to live up to anyone else's expectations. The only expectations that matter are your own. Define your own success. Set your own goals. Live a life that is true to you. Don't let the weight of the world crush your spirit. Break free from the chains of expectation. Embrace your own path. Change can be scary. Stepping outside of your comfort zone can be terrifying. The unknown is full of possibilities, but also uncertainties. It's natural to feel fear. But you can't let fear control you. Fear will keep you stuck. It will prevent you from growing. You have to be willing to face your fears. You have to be willing to take risks. The greatest rewards lie outside of your comfort zone. Embrace the unknown. Embrace the possibilities. Take that leap of faith. You might just surprise yourself. Rebuilding yourself starts with a plan. It's like constructing a building. You need a blueprint. What are your goals? What do you want to achieve? What kind of person do you want to become? Define your values. What's important to you? What do you stand for? Your values will guide your decisions. They will shape your actions. Set clear, specific goals. Don't just say, I want to be successful. What does success look like to you? Break it down into smaller, achievable steps. Write down your plan. Make it tangible. Make it real. This is your roadmap to success. This is your guide to rebuilding yourself. Your mindset is everything. It can either hold you back or propel you forward. Negative thoughts breed negative results. Positive thoughts create positive outcomes. Challenge your limiting beliefs. Those negative thoughts that tell you you can't. Ask yourself, is this really true? Often you'll find those beliefs are based on fear, not fact. Practice gratitude. Focus on the good in your life. Appreciate what you have. Gratitude shifts your perspective. It helps you see the possibilities. Cultivate a positive self-image. Believe in yourself. Believe in your abilities. You are worthy. You are capable. You are enough. Finding your fuel. Rebuilding yourself requires fuel. It requires inspiration. It requires motivation. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek out people who uplift you, people who believe in you. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch documentaries. Fill your mind with knowledge, with wisdom, with inspiration. Find mentors. Learn from those who have walked the path before you. Let their experiences guide you. Let their wisdom inspire you. Most importantly, listen to your heart. What makes you feel alive? What are you passionate about? Pursue your passions. Let them fuel your fire, embracing the process. Rebuilding yourself is a process. It's not a destination. There will be ups and downs. There will be setbacks and breakthroughs. Celebrate your progress. Acknowledge your growth. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. Learn from your mistakes. Grow from your experiences. Be patient with yourself. Change takes time. Growth takes effort. Consistency is key. Keep going. Keep pushing. Keep believing. You're a work in progress. And that's okay. Embrace the journey. Embrace the process of becoming the best version of yourself. The turning point. A story of resilience. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah was a vibrant young woman full of life and dreams. Then tragedy struck. A car accident left her paralyzed from the waist down. Her world shattered. Her dreams, it seemed, were gone. Despair threatened to consume her. She couldn't imagine a future confined to a wheelchair. The pain, both physical and emotional, was unbearable. Doubt whispered, "Your life is over." But Sarah refused to listen. She refused to give up. Deep down, a flicker of hope remained. She realized that while her life had changed, it wasn't over. She could still find meaning. She could still make a difference. This realization was her turning point. It was the moment she decided to rebuild herself. It wouldn't be easy, but Sarah was determined to live a life filled with purpose, a life that defied her circumstances. From doubt to determination, a journey unfolds. Sarah's journey was arduous. She faced countless challenges, both physical and emotional. There were days filled with frustration and pain. There were moments when doubt crept back in, threatening to derail her progress. But Sarah persevered. She channeled her energy into rehabilitation, pushing her body and mind beyond their perceived limits. She discovered a passion for wheelchair basketball, finding strength and camaraderie on the court. She set goals, small at first, then increasingly ambitious. Each milestone, each achievement fueled her determination. She refused to be defined by her disability, choosing instead to define herself by her spirit, her resilience, her unwavering belief in her own potential. Sarah's transformation was nothing short of remarkable. She evolved from a place of despair to one of empowerment. She became a beacon of hope, not just for herself, but for others facing their own challenges. A legacy of transformation inspiring others. Sarah's story resonated. She shared her experience, her struggles, and her triumphs, inspiring others to embrace their own journeys of self-rebuilding. She became a motivational speaker, her words carrying a message of hope and possibility. She started a foundation to support others with disabilities, providing resources and encouragement to help them overcome obstacles and achieve their dreams. Sarah's legacy extended far beyond her own personal journey. She ignited a spark in countless individuals, showing them that within every challenge lies an opportunity for growth, for transformation, for rebuilding oneself into something stronger, something more resilient, something extraordinary. Sarah's story is a testament to the indomitable spirit that resides within us all. It's a reminder that even in the face of adversity, we have the power to choose hope, to choose resilience, to choose to rebuild ourselves into the best versions of who we are meant to be. Reclaiming your power. We've talked about the struggles, the doubts, the fears, but we've also talked about the power within you, the power to overcome, the power to rebuild, the power to transform. Remember, you are not defined by your past. You are not defined by your circumstances. You are defined by your choices. Choose to rise above your challenges. Choose to learn from your mistakes. Choose to become the best version of yourself. You have the strength within you. You have the resilience. You have the power to create the life you desire. It starts with a single step, a single decision. The decision to rebuild, reclaim your power, embrace the journey, step into the greatness that awaits you. The unfolding journey. Rebuilding yourself is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing journey. There will be challenges along the way, setbacks, obstacles, but don't give up. Don't lose sight of your goals. Embrace the process. Embrace the growth. Embrace the journey of becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, you are not alone. We are all on this journey together. Support each other. Encourage each other. Inspire each other. Together, we can achieve anything. Now go out there and rebuild yourself. The world is waiting to see what you're capable of. Join the movement. This is your call to action. The time for change is now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't let fear hold you back. Start rebuilding yourself today. Share your story in the comments below. Tell us about your struggles, your triumphs, your journey of self-rebuilding. Your story might inspire someone else. Your words could be the spark that ignites their fire. Let's create a community of support, of encouragement, of empowerment. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more motivational content. We'll keep the fire burning together. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, embrace the journey, and never, ever give up. Now go out there and rebuild yourself. The world is waiting to see what you're made of.